Hey friends, if you wish to calibrate the display for HDR video in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select video playback. Okay. Now you can optimize it accordingly, because if you wish to calibrate it, then you need to optimize it. So you can optimize it for video quality, not for battery life. And then you can turn these two switches on. The first one is to process video automatically to enhance it, and the second one is, no, not the second one, only the first one. So after that, go to HDR and then make sure that HDR streaming is on, and after that hit the calibrate button. Okay, now I won't calibrate my display, but you can. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.